Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you guys what I got here. I have a chainsaw that's going to work off a battery. It's a little hand-powered one, a battery-powered one here. It'll work like this on this, and I can do it like that. You see, power, power, power. And then it also comes with a pole attachment, so we're going to set it up with both these ways here, and I'm going to show you guys how it works. It comes with a charging cable so we can recharge it, and it also comes with an extra battery. And these are 21 volt, 3 amp batteries. So these are really strong batteries. So let's go ahead and just try to cut something down here, and I'll show you guys what we're talking about. Let me see. I've got a lot of trees back here with some issues. This one here has a little bit going on with it. But if I was to go and cut down a little branch here, let me just give this a try. I'll see if I can aim you guys at it while I cut this one here. Let's just cut this little piece right here. Totally got power for that. Okay, so we are good. So that cuts like butter. Let's see. Nice smooth cut, not a problem at all. Okay, I'm gonna go hook up the pole saw and we're gonna try one that's a little bit higher. Let's see. Okay. So here we are now. So now I think I take off this battery. And this is gonna connect up to here to the pole saw. Okay, so now that's going to attach there. I think I can push this button to aim it however I want. I can get different lengths by just extending it. Oh, pretty far away from me now. And then I push the battery, will go onto the bottom here. So let's go ahead and put that on there. Okay, so now, okay, so now if I push this here and that, it runs the saw up top there. So let me keep you guys at a distance here, and I'm gonna try to go chop down a piece of that tree over there. You can go watch me do it at distance. Wow, cut it down all right. Now I cut down that little dead branch that was going over the fence. So look at that. Works pretty cool. So that's it there. So there's the saw right there. I can take it back apart, use it again. It looks kept it in good shape. It's a 6-inch saw. How cool is that? Now got this huge long pole. And I can make it go back down again as such. As small as it gets. Put it away. Totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.